Okay, so the main thing that makes Micro Four Thirds, or what initially started, is the fact that the cameras can actually be pretty micro. But so far, the case has been, at least with most of the flagships, is it's not very small. In fact, most of the Sony full frame cameras are actually quite a bit smaller. Sure, some of the lenses are larger, but here there are choices of lenses that aren't that much larger. So the solution is gonna be outside of the flagship. I'd really like to see something smaller, something pocketable. I've been using the Olympus CP3 basically like a point and shoot. Look at this thing. Look at that thing. It's not a point and shoot. It's not the size of a point and shoot at all. The lens does not retract, and I do not own pants with pockets that big. This is something that I simply do not like when it comes to my own personal daily driver. I want something that I could slip into my pants pocket next to my keys and phone. I want OM Systems to finally make a digital version of the best camera that Olympus has ever made. The Olympus XA. I gotta find it. One second. The Olympus XA, a little slide action pocket camera. Come on, how perfect would this? Well, how perfect would this be? You know, make it as cheap as possible by not giving it any modern feature. I don't care if it's the EM1 Mark II or Mark III sensor. Give it an optical viewfinder that reads the digital information at the bottom, similar to how the newer film cameras are, and how similar that the X100, the Fuji X100s. How cool would this be? If I was their marketer, I'd give this to someone like Taylor Swift, since she's already an Olympus fan on the account that she shoots on an EM1. She's got great taste in cameras. This kind of worked for Fuji's X100s. The reason that that camera got so popular is because it blew up on TikTok. I know a lot of camera users hate to hear it, but the fact is, this is the fact. It didn't sell nearly anywhere near as much until Kylie Katich? I'm so sorry if I don't know how to say your name. Sure, the ingredients did help catch the attention of Kylie for her to praise the camera, the X100, enough to influence so many people to purchase the camera. OM Systems should purposely do something similar. I mean, honestly, they should. They're not exactly in any position not to try new things to push their brand. They can have one camera to blow up to help them make the income that they need to get them to make other products that other photographers and videographers want. For me, though, this is what I want. The XAD would be my absolute dream daily camera, driver camera. So please, if anyone is watching and you know someone that OM, send this video to them. Just make it, please. That's it. Thanks for hanging out with me and have a wonderful day. Look at this thing. Look at it. Oh, it's upside down. Like, come on. I love this camera. I'll probably do a video of it, use it sometime soon. You can even do the same flash system. Just have it like screwed in like this. God. I'd show you how it fits in my pockets, but I'm not going to. I'm not actually wearing proper pants at the moment. All right, that's it. Oh, I want to show you this. This is, I don't know if you guys know what 110 film is. This is a 110 film camera. You shoot it like this. Boop. You'd have to use this little notch here. You'd have a little key that you would turn to turn the film. You see that? And then you would snap a photo. This is actually the film version of Micro Four Thirds. It is literally the same frame size as Micro Four Thirds sensors. How cool is this little camera? I actually have 110 film, one left, one stock left, and I was thinking about shooting it and maybe doing a video about it in the future. I don't know. Thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day.